This is how to withdraw Pi coin from Pi network. In this video, I'll be walking you through my Pi network money withdrawals. For you to withdraw your Pi coin, you must have access to your Pi wallet. You can only access your Pi wallet through your Pi browser. You can also access your Pi browser through Pi mining app. Let me show you. This is my Pi mining app. Don't forget that you can always mine Pi for free if you are new to Pi. My Pi bonus code is Ask JOFA. For you to access Pi browser that will give you access to your Pi wallet, you tap here. You can see this is Pi browser. So for the purpose of this video, I will launch Pi browser using my Pi mining app. So you tap here, then you tap your Pi browser. You can see install and sign in to Pi browser. You must have installed Pi browser on your phone. So if you've done that, you can sign to Pi browser from your Pi mining app. You will tap this, sign into Pi browser. It will bring you to this place. Welcome to Pi browser. This is our target, wallet. So you tap wallet. You have two options to access your Pi wallet. You either type in your 24 passphrase in this box, or you unlock your Pi wallet using your fingerprint or biometric security. In this case, I will use this. So I will tap that. You can see my Pi wallet has been opened. As at the time of this video, this is the total Pi I have in my wallet that is seeded to me, and this is the available balance that I can transfer to any exchange for sales and conversion to cash. So what I need to do now is to send this Pi coin to an exchange where I can easily convert Pi to cash. I'll be using Bitget Exchange. Bitget Exchange will allow you to convert your Pi to cash, and you can send it via P2P to your bank account in your country. But how do you cash out your Pi coin from Pi network? This is Pi Mainnet network. To do that, you tap pay. So I will tap pay. I will be using manual add wallet address. You can scan the QR code. It depends on where you are sending the Pi to. So this is what I'm going to be using. That is the wallet address of where you are sending the Pi coin to. So I will tap this place. This is where the amount you are withdrawing will be. This is where you put the destination address. But first, I have to go to Bitget Exchange to go and pick the destination address. Don't forget to take advantage of Bitget rewards. All you need to do is to use my link, which is below the description of this video. You stand to earn these rewards in deposit. This is my Bitget Exchange app. This is where my Pi coin is coming to. For me to pick the Pi coin wallet address for Bitget Exchange, I will click add funds because I want to add Pi coin. Add fund. Since I'm not buying Pi, it's not through P2P, it's not from bank, it's not from third party. I'm adding Pi from Pi network. So I will click deposit crypto. Deposit crypto. Though Pi is here, you can search for it. You tap this place to search for Pi. So you can see Pi. You just tap it here. We are depositing Pi on my Bitget Exchange. You can see Pi network. You can use your phone to capture the QR code. It will capture the address. This is my Bitget wallet address for Pi. So, and this is my Pi Bitget wallet address. So I will copy this one. Copy. You can see copy. I will take this to my Pi wallet using my Pi network. This is where you insert the Bitget wallet address. That is the destination Pi wallet address. You tap that place and you paste your Bitget. This is my Bitget Pi wallet address. This is where you type the amount of Pi coin you are sending out of your Pi wallet using Pi network. So I will tap here. You will make sure that you make provision for the fee. Otherwise, it will not go. So when you are sure everything is okay, you've made provision for the gas fee, you scroll down, you can save your wallet address in case of another time. Memo is optional, so you don't need to do anything here. Maybe in future there will be some exchange or wallet that will need you to do memo pad. Ensure that your destination wallet address is okay. So when you are sure everything is okay, you've made provision for the gas fee, you scroll down and you tap send. You tap send. If you are sure the address is correct, you click confirm. You can see transfer succeeded, transaction detail, payment sent in my Pi wallet, and this is the charges and this is the amount that was sent. You now go to the destination address to go and see if your Pi has gotten to the wallet. In this case, I will go to my Bitget Exchange app to check if my Pi is already there. This is the inside of my Bitget, and you can see I currently have over 10 USDT. I will tap asset. Look at it. My Pi is already inside my account in Bitget. You can see 15.96 Pi. This is the Pi that was transferred from my Pi wallet using Pi network. So you can now withdraw and cash out your Pi from your Pi wallet app. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comments, and I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.